Hello my dear students, welcome back. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter 13, A Clean World. In this video we will only introduce this chapter, we will only have a little introduction and then we will proceed to the air pollution. First of all, let me introduce about the environment. What do you mean by environment? Environment is our surrounding which consists all the living thing and the non-living thing. It's not like that only due to the living thing the life is possible, but a lot of non-living thing is also non-living thing materials or the non-living things are also very important to have the life on the earth. We cannot ignore water, soil, light, minerals and air. These all are the example of the non-living thing, but these all are as important as the living being. So living thing is also as important, because if the animal will not be there, plants will not be there, then also the life could not be exist. So this means our environment is having the requirement of both type of thing, living as well as non-living, and both combined together to make our environment, and we are depending non-living things as well as living thing. And these both maintain the balance of our nature as well. But due to the human activities, some of the activity is done by the human being. Why? Because day to day our requirements are increasing. The population is increasing day by day, and to fulfill the requirement of those population, the human being has developed and invented so many things so that they can fulfill the requirement of the people. That is also important. But what happened? What is the result of those activity? The balance of our nature has been imbalanced, or some of the harmful materials has been added to our nature, and slowly our environment is getting polluted. Not only that, because we have to make the furniture, we have to make the building, we have to make the desk and benches and a lot of things with the trees. So for that we have to cut the trees also. So we are cutting the trees on a large scale, which is known as deforestation. This is known as deforestation. So due to this activity also our environment has hampered very badly. So it's not like that we should not cut the tree, because to fulfill the requirement it is important to cut some of the tree. But what is the solution of this problem? We have to plant the trees or the small plant on a large scale, so that the nature can be balanced. And that process is known as afforestation. Afforestation is a process of planting the trees, whereas deforestation is cutting down the trees on a large scale. And due to these activity our environment has become so polluted. So in this video we are going to discuss the different type of pollution. But first of all, what is pollution? When we can say our environment has been polluted, so the pollution is the addition of the harmful substance, not the useful but the harmful substance. If any harmful substance is added to our nature, in the nature means if it is added in the water pollution will be there. If the harmful substances is added in the soil, then soil pollution will be there. If the harmful substances will be added to the air, then air pollution will be there. So when the harmful substance will be added to the environment, that condition is known as pollution, and that will reduce the quality of the environment. Whenever the harmful substance will be added, it will automatically reduce the quality of the environment. So what that harmful substance is known as? The term is used pollutant. In this chapter we will use this word again and again, that is pollutant. Pollutants are the harmful substances which is used. If we are using the dirty smoke, then smoke will be pollutant. If we are adding the harmful gases will be pollutant. If we are adding plastic, then plastic will be pollutant. So pollutant are those harmful substances which are added to the environment, and when it is added, then pollution will happen. Okay, so I hope you understand what is the meaning of pollution and how it is different from pollutant. Now we are going to discuss in this video only about the air pollution. Just now I told you, when we add the harmful substances to the environment, it happens pollution, and when the pollutant is added to the air will get polluted. Okay, air will have the reduced quality, and that time we call it air pollution. And why it is happening? It happens due to a lot of activity. Some of the activity is natural, some of the activity is created because of that by the human being. Okay, natural activity like volcano are erupting. Okay, when volcano erupt, it comes out with a lot of gases and ashes, and it create a lot of smoke. And where these smoke are going to? These all are going into the air, and it is polluting our air. Okay, now one more example, that is the nuclear explosion. Nuclear explosion means the explosion which is due to the chemical. Okay, this you will understood with one example. You must have heard about the Hiroshima and the Nagasaki. In 1945, the bomb was exploded in Hiroshima and Nagasaki, and our air and the air of that place was polluted that much, so the effect can be seen till now. So see how this atomic explosion can affect the air. Okay, it can affect the air, which can be seen for many years. Okay, it was exploded in 1945, but till now the effect can be seen, the bad effect can be seen. So this much the atomic or the nuclear explosion can be harmful for the air. Okay, not only this explosion, okay, but some of the human activities, like we are using the factories. Okay, and factories are releasing so much smoke. Okay, some of the bad person smoke also, that is also going into the air. Okay, we are burning plastics, that is also going into the air. Okay, whatever we are burning, that all are going into the air, and it is reducing the quality of the air. Okay, and these all are the reason of the air pollution. Okay, whatever smoke is coming out from the vehicles, that all are mixing in the air. So these all are the sources of the pollutant, we can say. Now what are the effect of air pollution? So we are going to discuss the different effect of the pollution, but further effect we will discuss in the next class. But common effect we are going to discuss in this video only, but further we will continue this effect of the air pollution in the next video also. So first of all, we inhale the oxygen which is present in the air, right? So air is the mixture of the gases as well as dust particles also, and we are inhaling the oxygen from that air. If that air will be polluted, then the polluted thing or the harmful thing will come in our body also. So first of all, it can be the reason of so many respiratory diseases. Respiratory diseases means that is due to the inhalation of the bad air. The first is it causes asthma, lung cancer and other respiratory diseases. These all are related to the inhalation of the oxygen, and if we inhaling the polluted air, then we will definitely have the different type of diseases. It can cause the headache and the skin and eye irritation. Okay, because if it will have the harmful thing, it can go into our eyes and it can have the itching problem. That air is also coming into contact of our skin, and if it is harmful, then it will also damage our skin as well. Now the headache, okay, if we are present in that and continuously that are coming, okay, then coming in the contact of our body, then it can cause of the headache also. It causes smog and reduces the visibility. Now you must be thinking, what is smog? Okay, fog is a natural thing. Fog is happening when the water vapor present in the air is condensing. okay, and we are not able to see. But smog is the mixture of smoke as well as fog. When the smoke is mixing with the fog, then the smog is created, okay, and this is very harmful for us. Okay, so this is how the air is, if air pollution is affecting our nature. Okay, so I hope you all have understood the afforestation, deforestation, pollution and pollutant, and whatever I have discussed in this video. Further we will continue the effect of the air pollution in the next video. Thank you so much.